10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, start. Hello friends. Welcome back. Let's begin by learning the names of the months on an English calendar. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Hope you all enjoy our video. Please remember to like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel My Moktab.